What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. One of the things that I wanna say just aren't coming out right. I'm tripping on words, you got my head spinning. I don't know where to go from here. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to prove. And that's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. Something about you now I can't quite figure out. Everything she does is beautiful, everything she does is right. 'Cause it's you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to lose. And it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you and me, and all other people, nothing to do, nothing to prove. And it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why I can't keep my eyes off of you. What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive.
Sa lumang simbahan, aking napagmasdan, dalaga't binata ay nagsusumpaan. Sila'y nakaluhod sa harap ng altar. Sa tigis ng kamay may hawak na punyal. Kung ako'y patay na, ang bilin ko lamang. Dalawin mo giliw ang ulilang libing, at kung marinig mo ang taghoy at daing, yao'y pahimakas ng sumpaan natin. At kung maririnig mo ang tugtog ng kampana sa lumang simbahan, dumaraw ka lang, lumuhod ka.
Kahit pa siguro medyo yung parang baka bumukas o umitim na ang bintong singsing na sinuot ni Ginoong Rodolfo, tingin tapat sa Diyos. At kami nakikisalo sa inyong dala. Tinupad at pinanindigan ninyo ang dakilang turo na nga kayo marahil nagkahiwalay. Subalit, salamat sa Kanya, may pagdiriwang tayo ngayon. Mga kapatid, magpuri at magpasalamat tayo sa Panginoon.
The sky may be starless, the night may be moonless, but deep in my heart there's a glow. For deep in my heart, I know that you love me. You love me because you told me so. Love letters straight from your heart. Keep us so near while apart. I'm not alone in the night. When I can have all the love you write.
Pinagpilitan, magharap kayo at sambitin ang inyong mga
aking asawa sa harap ng simbahan ito sa paling kasasaan aking muling pinapalayo ang aking pamahal at pag-ibig naway at kumayo tayo ng Diyos.
Kaya na sinabi mo, pagpapatuloy natin, pagpapatuloy mo ang pagmamahal na binigay mo sa amin, mga anak mo, sa 5 taong pagsasama natin. Mga 5 taong pagsasama natin. At sa gayon, ay magpapasalamat sa Diyos, sa suporta, sa pagmamahal na ilalim sa amin.
ang Espiritu Santo.
Amen. Maaari naman po na pumarito sa
Panginoon, basbasan mo ang mga singsing na ito upang ang iyong mga lingkod, sina Rodolfo at Trinidad na magsusuot ng mga ito ay magsilbing patotoo ng wagas na pagmamahalan at katapatan sa pamamagitan ni Kristo aming Panginoon.
Amen.
Ngayon ay ibigay ninyo itong mga singsing sa isa't isa at ulitin ang aking mga sasambitin.
Salamat ako sa Panginoon sa pagbigay niya ng tuwal sa akin.
Tanggapin ninyo itong Biblia at Rosaryo ang sagisag ng inyong pananampalataya. Naway matulungan kayo nitong pagtibayin ang inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak, at kayong nagsidalok sa kasalang ito bilang pakikisa sa pagdiriwang ng 50 taon pagmamahalan ni Rodolfo at Trinidad, at tinangayon sila ng masigawong para ang pinagsama ng Panginoon ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. Mo ng buong awa ang inyong mga lingkod. Loobin mong magmahalan sila.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginit o tagulan, haharapin bawat unos na magdaan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin, sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay natin gawin kahapon ng bukas.
A certain smile, a certain face can lead an unsuspecting heart on a merry chase. A fleeting glance can say so many lovely things. Suddenly you know why my heart sings. You love a while, and when love goes, you try to hide the tears inside with a cheerful pose. But in the hush of night, exactly like a bittersweet refrain, comes that certain smile to haunt your heart again. But in the hush of night, exactly like a bittersweet refrain, comes that certain smile to haunt your heart again. Our love affair is a wondrous thing that we'll rejoice in remembering. Our love was born with our first embrace, and a page was torn out of time and space. Our love affair, may it always be a flame to burn.
For once in my life, I have someone who needs me, someone I've needed so long. For once, unafraid, I can go where life leads me. Somehow I know I'm strong. For once, I can touch what my heart used to dream of long before I knew. Oh, someone warm like you would make my dreams come true, yeah, baby. For once in my life, I won't let sorrow hurt me, not like it's hurt me before. For once I have someone I know won't desert me. I'm not alone anymore. For once I can see this is mine, you can't take it. Long as I know I have love I can make. For once in my life, I am someone who needs it. Hey, 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 yeah.
This is something new, the Casper Slide Part 2, featuring the Platinum Band. And this time, we're gonna get funky. 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 Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time.
No, because you're from Canada. What's your inspiration in writing the song? Lola and Lolo. What do you like most about Lola and Lolo? They're nice. How about you, Jared? What do you like about Lola and Lola?
That just thing called the Lala.
Do you love them?
Yes.
How much do you love them? That's how excited he is. Oh, how about next door? Love mo ba si Lola and Lola?
Yes.
Uy! Yes! Gano'n mo sila kamahal?
Super.
Super! How about you, Rani? Did you write also the song with Ate Belle?
I did help by writing 1 verse.
Okay, can you also do a song number, a dance number with it?
I don't really know.
But for Lolo, are we game? Okay, we're all set. So let's welcome the grandkids!
Everybody wants happiness. Nobody wants pain. But how do you get involved? I don't know, right? 'Cause me without you, like Twitter without photos, Facebook without friends, YouTube with no videos, love you until the end. You think I'm red, buy everything. How would I be without you?
Yeah, wait lang sa we love you back into
Someone far above, you know it's in my heart. The start until nothing ends. You got YouTube, Tumblr without photos, Facebook without friends,
Forever could never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will. Together could never be close enough for me to feel like I am close enough to you. You wear white and I wear out the words I love you, and you're beautiful. Now that the wait is over, and love has finally showed her my way. Marry me.
Lola, thank you for Lola, thank you for taking care for me, and thank you for helping me do my assignment. Wait. Happy anniversary, Lola. What? Happy anniversary, Lola. Wait lang. We love you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Lexor. Yan, si Lexor po ang apo na nakatala dito sa Pilipinas. Palagi pong nakalapapat mama. Ayan, thank you. Sa katarungan. Okay, anong susunod na nga at this point?
Next one is a song number.
Ayan, ang susunod na nga arana kay Papa at Mama ay ang bunsong anak na babae.
Yes.
Walang iba kundi si
New Jersey.
Maria Ruby, straight from New Jersey. Not angels, no demons, no power on earth or heaven, not distance, no danger, no trouble now or ever. Nothing can take me from your love. Forever this truth remains. I belong to you. I belong to Not hardships, nor hunger, no pain or death or sorrow, not weakness, no failures, no broken dream or promise. Nothing can take me from your great love. Forever this truth remains. 50 years later, and here you are with us, your 6 children and families of our own, and 6 lovely grandchildren. Papa, Mama, you have truly gone a long way as a couple. Let us not forget to thank God for the wonderful blessings and for the opportunity to share this beautiful moment. 50 years of togetherness is not something bestowed to all couples, so we will always remember this and cherish this glorious moment. 50 years of marriage also represents 50 years of family life. This is a good time to reminisce our humble beginnings and all the challenging times we've gone through as a family. The challenges may not have been easy, but it was necessary because it bonded us and made us strong as a family. As we continue to face challenges in our own lives, we know we can confidently manage them because you have prepared us for it. Yes, Mama and Papa, you may not have given us all we wanted, but you made sure that we got what we really needed. Simplicity in life is one of the most important things we, your children, have learned from you. Thank you for working hard for us, for those countless years that you have both taken the jeepney to commute to work, and for the very early mornings that Mama would wake up to brave the dark streets of Purdue and New York at dawn in order to catch an early trip to work. This way, she can come home early and be there for us when we arrive from school. And Papa, who patiently took us to dental appointments and free swimming lessons during summer at Camp Crowley. Mama, I want to thank you for being such a wonderful partner to Papa. Mother, and now in the prime years of our lives, a great friend to us. You have embodied the true meaning of motherhood by continuously providing us moral support regardless of the distance or technology, by reaching out to your children in a post through long-distance text messaging, use of Skype, Facebook, email, and Magic Jack. That's Mama. We have never been so proud of you. You will continue to be a good role model to us. You've constantly reminded us, marunong ang Diyos, may awa ang Diyos, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. No man is an island, and most importantly, the golden rule, do unto others what you want others do unto you. And for Papa, thank you for standing by Mama. It's never easy raising a family, but you were there for us and never left us. Thank you for teaching and sharing us your favorite motto, that nothing is impossible in life. You have always been so giving to us. I remember as a young child, we would rush to greet Papa when he arrives home from work, and he'd give us coins or changes left in his pocket at the end of the day. This would send us running to the sari-sari store to buy treats for ourselves. We've learned to find joy in simple things. Thank you for taking us to Marinduque to share your childhood memories. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for everything. But best of all, thank you for showing us what is right. You preferred to live a simple but safe life because you wanted to protect us. You didn't succumb to temptations which could have easily gained us material wealth, but end us all up in trouble in the end. We now fully understand why our family's life had been the way it is. Your lessons on humility, perseverance, and drive to strive and achieve more will stay with us. We will make sure that these important lessons are passed on to our children and grandchildren and generations to come. Yes, it will be a bit of a challenge doing so in North America, but we will do our best. We also want to thank all our relatives and friends who have supported our family all through the years. Even the smallest things you've done for us are deeply appreciated. Thank you so much for all your help and for coming here today. We hope our story will serve as an inspiration to other families to not give up, to continue supporting each other, and to put your complete trust in God, who has a wonderful plan for each family. Thank you.
Thank you, sis.
Time while waiting for the AVP. Yung props na Papa at Mama. Yan. Ang susunod naman po na maghahandog ng awit kay Papa at Mama ay Surprise!
Sino?
Kami. Tayo. Nasa script yun. Bigyan mo na natin ng background. Bakit natin ito kakantahin?
Okay, yung kakantahin namin is based on, si Mama kasi mahilig mawag ng mga teleserye ito eh. And this is one of her very favorite teleserye. And palagi na itong sinusubaybayan. Very ano siya.
Bibigyan namin kayo ng hints. Ako si Maya. Siya si Sir Chief. So Mama, Papa, para sa inyo po. Welcome to our first practice. If you love me like you tell me, please keep loving you. I will be true to you. Just a promise from you will do. From the very start, please be careful with my heart. Sir Chief, take it away.
Love you and you know I just there'll be no one else for me.
Pwede po kayo sumalay. Alam ko nanonood kayo.
Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see. Love has words and lies softly spoken, and I have had my heart has been broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before.
Sabi mo kayo.
So I understand how you feel. Trust my love is real for you.
Galing na, Sir Chief.
I'll be gentle with your heart. I'll caress it like the morning dew. I'll be right beside you forever. I will never fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with your heart.
Pwede po kayo sumabay. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take that chance. But till life is through, I'd still be loving you. I will be true to you. Just a promise from you will do. From the very start. From the very start. From the very start. From the very start. Just be careful with
I'll be careful.
my heart.
Love you.
Love you, Mama and Mama. Happy anniversary. Sabi ni Mama, ano ba yung susunod na telenovela? Sa punto mong ito,
Is your then we rejoice in our love was born with our first embrace, and our face was torn out of time and space.
and Papa. Grabe. Pang-operatic.
Okay, while they're preparing the AVP na spelling, we would like to call one or two relatives to say something to Papa and Mama.
Let us call one. Ate Nancy de Chavez. Ate Nancy. Nakapaan po natin si Ate Nancy.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Una po sa lahat ay binabati ko ang aking tiyo, tiya, si Janining at si Charody ng Happy Golden Wedding at Anniversary. Alam mo, Janining, Charody, isa kayo sa magulang na maswerte. Dahil narating ninyo ang sa inyong buhay ang ganitong pagkakataon na bihira na mangyari sa isang tao. At ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos at nakarating kayo sa ganitong sa edad ninyong yan. At ako'y kahit malawanay kayo bigyan pa ng haba ng buhay at nang makita pa ninyo ang inyong mga apo sa tuhod. Masasabi ko rin na kayo isang huwarang magulang. Sa kabila ng inyong 6 na mga anak, naitaguyod mo ninyo sila ng maayos, mga mabait na mga bata, masunurin, may takot sa Diyos. At sila'y napagpatapos ninyo lahat, may kanya-kanyang magandang hanap buhay. At ang iba ay nasa ilang bansa. Kaya sana naman ay hanggang sila ay makapag-asawa na at ang kanilang mga asawa ay mababait, may mga anak. Sa pagkiwari ko naman nasa inyo ng lahat at ako'y saludo sa inyong lahat, dalawa sa inyong mag-asawa. Hanggang dito na lang po at maraming salamat. Mabuhay po tayo lahat.
Salamat, Ate Nancy. Ngayon naman, tawagin natin sa side muna nila Mama.
Maraming salamat! Viva!
Pina! Viva! 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 Yan po ang puno.
Yes.
Maaari niyo po silang rentahan sa halagang 2,000 piso. Joke lang po yun, pero ako po ay mapahalap na makaranas ng pagpuputo.
Yes.
Masaya silang mga rose petals lang po.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. We are surrounded by all of these lies, and people are talking too much. You got the kind of look in your eyes as if no one knows anything but us. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. You look so beautiful in this light, your silhouette over me. The way it brings out the blue in your eyes is the Tenerife Sea. And all of the voices surrounding us here, they just fade out when you take a breath. Just say the word and now we'll disappear into the wilderness. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. I'm so in love, so in love, so in love, so in love. Darling, Lumiere over me, Lumiere, darling, Lumiere over me. Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need. So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you better.
Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel a glow just thinking of you're lovely, with your smile so warm and your cheeks so soft. There is nothing for me but to love you, and the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart. Lovely, never ever change. Keep that breathless charm. Won't you please arrange it? 'Cause I love you just the way you look tonight. With each word your tenderness grows, tearing my fears apart. And that laugh that wrinkles your nose, it touches my foolish heart.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I want